Ayun ang sabi ng sundalo. Sir, hindi daw ipagbaril kay presidential ma. Buti pag mouse dito kaya hindi pa pinapatay yung tao, kinakatay ninyo. We not talk about our overseas Filipinos. They are our heroes. They and their families have sacrificed much for the country. We all know how a large part of our economy comes from their remittances. That is why, to ensure that their rights are protected, I ordered the increase of our assistance to the OFW from 400 million to more than 1 billion. We have been hard at work in securing the rights and welfare of our OFW. A year ago, I also learned government officials and employees that I will never tolerate corruption in my administration, not even a whiff of it. Let the dismissal of several higher-ranking officials whom I myself appointed serve as a warning to all that I will never back down on my commitment to cleanse this government and corporation. In order to bring government services closer to the people, establish hotlines, government centers that receive public concerns. One of which is the Hotline 911, which allowed us to receive and immediately respond to emergencies. We also launched Hotline 8888, the Citizens Complaint Hotline. This is a public hotline facility that receives feedbacks or concerns on government services. Since we launched this hotline, we have received numerous complaints from the public on government slow government processing, unclear of changing procedures and requirements, centralized issuances of clearance and permits in Metro Manila, and discourteous government employees, among others. Meron ito eh. Time and again, yung pagtansak ng ordinaryo, the ordinary people who contract business in government. In the last ASEAN Ministerial Conference, I don't know why Malacan has to, my office has to do some work for all the others, like itong mga barong. It's always that outfit takes care of the attires that will be given to the ministerials, this time to the heads of state. Alam mo, I'd like to address this myself to government. Yan bang bayaran? Pabalik-balikin ninyo ang tao. I know that because I've been mayor for 22 years. I never allowed it in my city. But dito, alam mo yung mga sastre, dyan sa Paranaque hanggang Cavite, yung mga tiloring dyan, ang negosyo lang yan involved. Boy Scout, teachers uniform, Girl Scouts, naghahabol yan sila ng mga kontrata. And they are just the stores that you find along the way until Cavite. They group together during times of ganito, may ASEAN, and they look for a person to represent them. This is not no offense intended, but usually they look for beautiful women, young, who will do the talking, arrangement, because it's the reality of life. But the beautiful women gets the attention always. Tapos, pag na-deliver na nila, nasukatan na, pabalik-balikin ninyo. And right there in Malacanang, it happened. So I will fire the lady, whoever was connected with it, as I have fired everybody else. A cabinet member for buying an 18 million truck in Austria. That was not our contract. It was contract of the previous administration. 14 of those 18 million were already delivered. This cabinet member was I was informed about it, and I said his legal office to stop it. You know what? You can just write ahead. Travel there, sign something for another tranche of delivery. So right there at right in the cabinet meeting, I said, were you able to read the opinion of your own law office? He said no. But Sonny Dominguez was already passing to me yung sa iPhone. So I was reading it while I was talking to him. So, but you're fired. You're lying. And so I fired him. Go out of this office. I do not want to see your face again. Ganon ako ka-stricto. So the cabinet members, they are here. They're only given noon 1 year, 2 years, 1 month. The directors, makinig kayo sa gobyerno, bantay kayo. Directors, you're only given 15 days. And I do not want directors out of their office. You eat your lunch there. Lahat kayong taga-gobyerno. So that you can resume to work immediately. Now, ito ang deal ko sa public. There is the 8888. I cannot stop corruption and wrongdoings if you do not cooperate. You text me, libre yan, 888. You name the public official. Name his sins in that bulletin, and I will take it from there. Do not be afraid about libel. I will take care of that. Yun ang gawin ninyo. I have to have your help. Hindi kasi kayo wala yan. Lahat. Police, military, lahat. Pati ako. If you think that may nagawa ako ng masama, sabihin ninyo. Do not be afraid. We are all workers of government. Kayo yung employer namin. We get the money from your pocket to our pockets. Kayo nan pa nyo, since when have you heard me talk about government and officials? I always address everybody, workers of government. I seldom mention Malacañang Palace. It is not a palace, it is just a house of wood. So why should I call it a palace? Give me something like the European style. Yeah, I just called it office. Palas-palas ka dyan eh. And besides, all the rats of Pasig are there. Just beside Pasig River. So yung lahat ng mga daga dyan kung saan-saan, doon naglalanding. It has a wild field. And they are not killed because they are presidential mouse. Ayun ang sabi ng sundalo. Sir, hindi daw ipagbaril kay presidential mouse. Buti pag mouse dito kaya hindi pa pinapatay. Yung tao, kinakatay ninyo.